Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're taking a look at a premium vacuum cleaner designed for people who want powerful cleaning, elegant design, and long-term reliability. The new Miele Guard L1 AllFloor bagged canister vacuum cleaner in the stunning Obsidian black and rose gold finish. Right away, this vacuum feels premium. Miele is known worldwide for high-end engineering, and the Guard L1 AllFloor continues that reputation with a sleek modern design, advanced filtration, and impressive cleaning performance across multiple floor types. One of the standout features here is the AllFloor cleaning system. This vacuum is designed to transition smoothly between hardwood floors, tile, laminate, rugs, and carpets without needing constant manual adjustments. The included AllTeQ Universal Floorhead helps deliver strong suction and consistent pickup performance whether you're cleaning fine dust or larger debris. Miele also includes the dedicated AllFloor Floorbrush, which is excellent for delicate hard floors. It glides smoothly while helping protect surfaces from scratches, making it ideal for premium flooring in modern homes. Now let's talk about suction power. Miele vacuums are famous for strong and consistent airflow, and the Guard L1 delivers exactly that. Because it's a bagged canister system, airflow remains stable while trapping dust efficiently inside the sealed bag system. This is especially helpful for allergy-sensitive households or pet owners dealing with fine dust and hair. Another major feature is the AirClean Plus Filter system. This advanced filtration setup helps capture dust particles and improve air cleanliness while vacuuming. Instead of blowing dust back into the room, the system helps maintain cleaner indoor air quality, which is a huge advantage for families and anyone sensitive to allergens. The LED display panel gives the Guard L1 a more modern and premium feel. It provides useful status information and adds a high-tech touch compared to traditional vacuum cleaners. The controls are intuitive and easy to use, helping simplify your cleaning sessions. One thing many users will appreciate is the quiet operation. Despite its strong cleaning performance, the Guard L1 maintains the smooth, refined operation Miele vacuums are known for. It feels less harsh and noisy compared to many powerful upright vacuums. The canister design also makes movement easier around furniture, corners, and tight spaces. Combined with Miele's durable build quality and ergonomic handling, this vacuum is built for comfortable long-term use. Overall, the new Miele Guard L1 AllFloor is a luxury-level vacuum cleaner focused on powerful suction, advanced filtration, elegant design, and multi-surface cleaning versatility. If you want a premium vacuum built for performance and reliability, this is definitely one worth considering. Buy link in the description below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more daily tech and home appliance reviews here on Gadgetverse.